flying flicker too. Hey y'all, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami envelope flicker. And it's a flicker like you just saw, and it's also an envelope. So to make it into an envelope, you just undo the flaps. Like that, and then undo these flaps. And it is an envelope. How cool is that? So you can stick whatever you want in there, and you can close it back up. And then you can close it back up into a flicker too, by making those flaps. Alright, you guys ready to learn it? Here we go. Okay, so for this model, I used a square sheet of paper that's stripy. That was 6 by 6 inches, but for this video, I'm going to use a 6 by 6 inch square of ordinary kami. So it's white on the other side. Alright, so we're going to make a waterbomb base. So begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half. Unfold, rotate so the crease is vertical, and repeat. This is how I like to make the waterbomb base. Okay, now take this corner and fold to the top. And turn over right to left and do the same thing. Okay, now open the pocket, put your finger all the way inside, and flatten it. And there it is, the waterbomb base. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate like this and take this corner and fold to the top, but just make a crease mark right there. Okay, and now fold this corner to the crease mark, and this time you can fold it all the way across. Alright, unfold, and now we're going to sink that corner inside. So that means we have to unfold like this. And see that little square of creases? We're going to pinch those mountain folds. Okay, bring everything in like this, and we're going to make a waterbomb base out of this square. Alright, and there it is, the sink. Okay, now place it down on the table, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the center crease. And really make sure that this is even all the way across. Just do your best. Okay, now we're going to turn over right to left and we're going to do the same thing. So fold this edge to the crease, just on the top layer. And try and make it even all the way across. Okay, now we're going to fold this over and turn over and fold this over. And we're going to do the same thing. So fold this edge to the crease. And turn over and repeat. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to open like this. This is kind of the fun step here. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to spread squash that corner in. So we have to open it up like this and just kind of place it on the table. And you want to make sure that it gets like that in the middle. And then it should become a square. That's a fun little step. That's what it looks like. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this crease. And also make sure that this edge aligns with that crease too. Now rotate, and we're going to do the same thing. So fold this edge to the crease, and also this edge to that edge. And rotate, and same thing. Okay, now, this flap, we're going to tuck it under, so it's going to go over this flap and inside of that pocket, like that. So there it is, the envelope. So this is the envelope right here. So you can put whatever you want inside there. And you can reclose it like this. It's a pretty cool little envelope, huh? Okay, but if you want to make it into a flicker, then here's how to do that. So this is really easy. Just all we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up right on that point, that crease. And what we're doing is we want to fold it so that this edge touches that point right there. And now stick it into the pocket. Like that. Alright, and do the same thing 3 more times. Alright, and there it is, the flicker. And to make it fly best, just give it a little bit of curvature. Alright, and now I'm going to show you guys how it flies. So, you just hold it like this, and you give it a good flick. Alright, here we go. So, hold it like this, and here we go. That's a good flicker. And it just went behind the bed. Alright, well, hope you guys like that model, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.